So for the battle rope smiles, you're gonna set up like any other battle rope. You're gonna come forward, hands at your side with the rope. It should be touching the toes while it's also touching the ground in front of your toes. That's gonna ensure that you have enough room, enough slack to create the movement. The smile is gonna go in both hands. You could grip it either way. It's gonna go from your right shoulder down through your waistline up to your left shoulder. The important piece with the smiles, you can do a little bit of rotation with it. You can use your arms for the rotation. You can use your torso or your hips for the rotation. But the important piece is that it actually decelerates, stops at your shoulder, and then goes the other direction. You don't want to pause and hold it there, but it does need to actually redirect. It's not like a figure eight where it's rounded out. It's more like a smile. So it goes from one side down and through to the other side and then back again. All right, so if you need to regress with the battle rope smile, the first thing that you're going to do is just take a half a step back. You don't want to take too far of a step back because then that actually creates too much tension in the rope, and then you're not able to actually do the full range of motion movement. And then after that, if you still need to regress, if it's still a little bit too much, just shorten the movement. Make smaller smiles. Really think like to your elbow, to your belly button, and to your other elbow. And then if that's still not enough, if it still feels like you're out of control or you can't actually create the waves or create the movements, don't worry about the waves and then just go slower. Once you figure out that coordination, then you'll be able to pick up speed, increase the distance, increase the speed, and step forward. So if you're ready to progress with the battle rope smile, the first thing that you're going to want to do is add speed. Keep the movement distance the same, keep your stance the same, but just add speeds. And as you slowly add speed, once you get to your max speed, if you feel like you need to progress even more, like that's not enough, whether it's for power or strength or endurance, right, then you're going to want to increase the distance. So you're going to want to go above and outside of the shoulder, down maybe through at the thigh line or even the knee line. So really big smile movements. And then if at that point you still need more to progress to get that adaptation that you're looking for, take a step forward or take many steps forward.